In my last video, I showed you how to transform the default Home Assistant environment cards into animated cards that reacts to temperature and humidity changes. Well, these cards are getting a major upgrade. Today, I'm going to show you how to add an interactive graph to display your card data over time. Make sure you watch until the end, because I'll also demonstrate how to customize these cards and make them more compact. Plus, I'll share some brand new cards I created this week based on your recommendations. The requirements for this week are a little different. You'll still need to install mushroom cards, themes, and card mod from HACS, but we also need some additional integrations, like the vertical stack in card and the mini graph card. Simply install them from HACS as well. More on this in the description for beginners. Go to your dashboard view. It's recommended to set the theme to mushroom. I also prefer using this view type, but other view types will also work. In general, sections or masonry layout are recommended. Start by adding a manual card. This option is all the way at the bottom. To make creating these cards much easier, you just need to copy the entire custom card I created for free from the link in the description. Paste it in. Now you only need to replace the sensor entity in two places. Once in the temperature card, and once in the graph card. Just like that, you have a beautiful animated temperature card with interactive graph. Same logic applies to other cards like the humidity card. You can also change the temperature values to your liking by editing the values here for the graph, and also changing them here for the main card. Now, to keep things more compact, let's combine the cards, which is what most people will probably want to do to save space. Copy the first card. Create a grid card. Set the columns to 2 and turn off this option here. Paste the card we copied here. Exit and copy the second card. Click on the plus icon and paste it in here. Now the cards are side by side, but we need to make a few adjustments like tweaking the card height and chart size. You can edit the card height right here. I'll change it to 25. For the graph, let's set the width to something like 250 so it fits the card better. Look how it's much cleaner now, and it takes up way less of your valuable dashboard space. Do the exact same thing for the second card, so the cards get same size and appearance. Let's take a look at the cards I created from your suggestions this week. I was a little sick and short on time, so I only managed to create some of them, like the water and fuel tank cards, which show you visually how much is left at a glance, and become red to warn you when the tank is almost empty. A dynamic boiler card was also requested, which shows the temperature and fills the card based on temperature dynamically. If you have cool ideas for new cards, leave a comment below. Hit that like button and subscribe to let me know you're enjoying these videos, and turn on notifications so you don't miss next week's upload. Have a nice day.